Welcome back to the channel, guys. You guys know I love Ulanzi, so I have a lot of their stuff. So I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Now, I have this older. This is a real small little mini tripod. You can blog with it if you want to, or you can set it on the table, put a camera. Had to be pretty low. Then I went with this one. Now, this one will actually extend to almost 6 feet tall if you go 6 feet tall, or you can bend it right here and use it to vlog with too. But it will also go, I believe it's 5'9", 4'9", somewhere. It gets pretty high up in the air, so it's pretty cool. But I want to show you the coolest one that I've seen yet. And this one just came out. This is the Ulanzi TT38 ClickOpen Tabletop Tripod. So let's take a look at it. Let me show you what we got. It says it's for a pretty small camera, and they've got like a point and shoot on it. But I'm pretty sure that it will hold like a micro 4/3 camera. Now here we go. Now you put your camera on top. Put your micro 4/3 camera on top. And now you got, set it down. You got a tripod, got a quick release plate on it. Tighten it up. It's the TT38. Comes with one of these to tighten things down. I haven't put a micro 4/3 camera on here, but I can tell by looking at it, it's definitely sturdy enough to put a micro 4/3 camera on. So if you're into vlogging, or if you just need a tripod to go on your table and sit close and explain something like this, or sometimes I might put a camera in front of a camera, it comes out really handy. It's also got a grip on it, so if you need to hang it, if you notice these feet, so if you need to hang it, you can put your camera on it, bend this back, hang this like over a window, and you've also got an extra clip down here. So if you really wanted to get started, you can hang that really well, and then you could bend this back, hang it off something and point it right at you. That way you're not tied down to, just being on the ground or on the table or whatever. So, but anyway, I thought this was pretty cool. I thought you guys might like it. I don't know how many of you guys are vloggers, but it's pretty nice. It's one of the nicest ones I've seen. It feels good. It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. Some of these can feel kind of cheap. This one has a nice little head on it, quick release. So this one's pretty good. So I like it. I'll leave a link down to the bottom if you guys want to check it out. Again, it is the Ulanzi TT38. I'll leave a link on Amazon. They're affiliate of ours, so if you do decide to purchase one, we'll make a few bucks. Also, for helping you guys out, you can click down at the bottom now in the description and click Buy Me a Coffee. It's a little way to say thanks for helping you out, but only if we're helping you out. Don't buy me a coffee if I'm not helping you out. But if we are helping you out, it's a cool thing to do. And we are also working on a beginner PDF book for you guys. So we got some exciting stuff coming up. So we'll let you know when all that is available. So for helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day. Thanks.